Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss regarding one of the learning activity in essentials of information technology. So today I am going to discuss regarding the fourth activity, which is considering the following data to create this data in an Excel sheet having student's first name, last name, student age, student grade, and student school, telephone number, and whichever the sport the student is considering. So these data is to be listed and you have to create a spreadsheet for this application, and you should have at least 10 row. You have to give around a 10 data. Once you add all the data, you have to average the age of students. So you need to take the average of all the students, the age of all the students, and average it. So to perform this, it is very simple. The thing is, go to start and click on Excel. So take a new template, and in this you are having this cell as A1. This is B2. Sorry, B1, C1, D1, E1. So let me have whatever the data they have given. So first A1, I need it as first name of the student. So student, first name. The next is give a tab and start typing. Student, second name, give a tab. Then first name is done. Second name, sorry, last name is there. First name, here I will be adding last name, then age, double click, so you get age, then again click on this, double click, you get grade, then is which school, then comes the contact number, telephone number, and the last one is double click G1, which is sport. So these are the things, and you need to add the first name and second. So first name, so let me give some random names. So Aishwarya, let me give the second name as R, and the first name as Anu, P, then comes from B, let it be Banu, and here let it be Chandra, and so like this go on, and just give the ages, maybe 18, 19, 20, or let it be 17. Grade, let them be in second semester, first semester, third semester. School, I'll give a common name. Okay, so I'll take the same thing for everyone. So this is a common thing. Telephone number, let it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So like this, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So give some random numbers. Okay. So continue this until you get around 20 columns. They have asked for, they have mentioned for 10 here, but I'll take 20 data. I'm done with all the details. Like I have given the first name, last name, age, grade, school, and telephone numbers. Once it is done, so let me select the first row, and I'll try to change the font and other things. Select all, give Cambria or Times New Roman, whichever you like. Select the first column, make it bold. So here you have the option bold. Click on bold. Wrap text so that everything is visible. And finally, I forgot about sports. So this part, so they have given the options for me. Like I should have volleyball. I'll paste volleyball. Someone likes basketball. Then softball, You have so many. Yes, I have distributed everything based on the interest. Now once it is done, I need to print this again. So select the whole thing, go to this border, take all border. So if you want, you can also give some effects like yeah, before that I need to find the average of age. So here I'll find the average of age. So select this age, select the whole column, and go to the sum and click on average. So here is your average. Just type here average age is. Okay, so this is the average age. Again select this and select all. Now select the first row. Let me color it. So here you have format table. You can either format the entire table in a single click like this. Okay, so otherwise once you color it, go back and let me take black. It looks better now. Once it is done, select everything and click Ctrl P. So what you have to do, select everything and click on Ctrl P. So now take the option A4 and orientation, landscape, and margin. You can take large customize, sorry. So you can take normal and scaling. Go to custom scaling option. In margin, take horizontal and vertical. You will get it in a single sheet and click on print. So go to the downloads. There you can print it as spreadsheet. Okay, spreadsheet, and save this file as well. I'll minimize it. In downloads as again spreadsheet. Okay, so here is your sheet, and Control L. You can see all the 20 student names, their age, their average, their grades, school, telephone number, and sports. So this is how you create or complete the second activity. So if you have any doubts, you can write me back. Please share with your friends and like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.